Hello students, I am Nabila Tariq. Today we will continue with the chapter that is Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. We will start from page number 75, the second paragraph. Till now we had discussed that Bipin Babu was very worried because he really thought that he was losing his memory. And at that very tough time when he was going through that time, at 7:30 his old friend Chunni Lal turned up. He came to his house. His servant came up saying that Chunni Lal had come to visit him, and there is some important work, and there is something important that Chunni Lal wants to talk about to Bipin Babu. Now we will come to know who was Chunni Lal. Now, at 7:30, Bipin Babu's servant came and announced, Chunni Babu sir says it's very important. Means Chunni Babu says that there is some important work that he has with Bipin Babu. Bipin Babu knew that Chunni had come, what Chunni had come for. Chunni Lal had been at school with him. He'd been having a rough time lately and had been coming to see him about a job. Bipin Babu knew it was not possible to do anything for him and in fact told him so, but Chunni kept turning up like a bad penny. Now, who was Chunni Lal? Chunni Lal was his old school friend. They had studied in school together, and right now Chunni Lal was having a rough time. Having a rough time means he was facing a lot of problems. Means उनकी life इस time काफ़ी problems चल रही थी उनकी life में. उन्हें एक job की ज़रूरत थी. He was undergoing some financial and professional pressures, and he was in need of a job. So वो अक्सर चुन्नी लाल बिपिन बाबू के पास आते थे जॉब के लिए, और बिपिन बाबू मना कर चुके थे कि उनके लिए कोई भी जॉब प्रोवाइड करना पॉसिबल नहीं है. बट स्टिल चुन्नी kept turning like a bad penny. Kept turning like a bad penny means it's given in the glossary, appearing at a place where once is not welcome, means unwelcomed, unwantingly. चुन्नी लाल हमेशा बिपिन बाबू के घर आते थे और बिपिन बाबू को उनका आना पसंद नहीं था. Bipin Babu sent a word that not only it was that was possible for him to see Chunni now, but not in several weeks. बिपिन बाबू ने ये मैसेज पहुंचाया सर्वेंट के साथ कि चुन्नी लाल से बोल देना जाके कि अभी वो नहीं मिल सकते हैं, एंड नॉट इवन फॉर सेवरल वीक्स, मीन्स और आने वाले बहुत हफ्तों तक भी वो चुन्नी लाल से नहीं मिल पाएंगे. Why did he send this message? Because he as it is didn't want to meet Chunni Lal. At the same time, at this very moment, he was very depressed. So he didn't want any sort of distraction by anyone. But as soon as the servant stepped out of the room, it struck Bipin Babu that Chunni might remember something about the 58th trip. There was no harm in asking him. But as soon as he was going to send this word through servant, and the servant was going to just going out of the room, that time only it struck to Bipin Babu that it will be better if he will ask and confirm Chunni Lal about his 1958 Ranchi trip, as there was no problem in asking Chunni Lal, there was no hesitation in asking Chunni Lal. मतलब उनको ऐसा लगा कि एक बार अगर वो चुन्नी लाल से भी कंफर्म कर लेंगे कि वो 1958 में कहाँ गए थे, so this will be a better thing. Bipin Babu hurried down the stairs and into the living room. Chunni was about to leave, but seeing Bipin Babu appear, he turned round hopefully. Bipin Babu didn't beat about the bush. Now, Bipin Babu didn't beat about the bush means Bipin Babu didn't spoke anything uselessly. मतलब उन्होंने कोई भी दूसरी बात नहीं करी, सीधे वो टॉपिक पे आए. He straight away came to the topic. That means didn't beat about the bush. Listen Chunni, I want to ask something. You have a good memory and you've been seeing me off and on for a long time. Just throw your mind back and tell me, did I go to Ranchi in 58? ना वो डायरेक्टली चुन्नी से पूछते हैं कि चुन्नी लाल तुम मुझे बहुत टाइम से जानते हो, यू नो मी फ्रॉम मैनी ईयर्स, एंड just throw your mind back means just remember, try to recall the year 1958 and just tell me that did I go to Ranchi in the year 1958, के मतलब मैं 58 ईयर में क्या रांची गया था. Chunni said 58, it must have been 58, or was it 59? Now Chunni is trying to recall. You're sure that I did go to Ranchi? Chunni looks of amazement was not unmixed with worry. Now, Chunni Lal was almost going to say that yes, you have visited Ranchi. So this Bipin Babu got really worried और वो चुन्नी लाल से पूछते हैं कि क्या तुम श्योर हो कि मैं रांची गया था. So Chunni started looking at Bipin Babu in amazement. Amazement means surprise. मतलब बहुत सरप्राइज और पजल्ड मैनर में वो बिपिन बाबू की तरफ देखने लगे कि ये ऐसा क्यों पूछ रहा है कि ये गया था कि नहीं गया था. बट ही वॉज नॉट वरिड. Although he was looking at Chunni Lal, at Bipin Babu with amazement in his eyes, with surprise, with curiosity in his eyes, but at the same time he was not worried. लेकिन वो परेशान नहीं थे. चुन्नी लाल ने कोई भी परेशानी जैसा लुक बिपिन बाबू को नहीं दिया था. He was not worried about Bipin Babu's memory, state. Do you mean you have doubts about having gone all? Did I go? Do you remember clearly? Chunni sat down on the sofa, fixed Bipin Babu with a long hard stare and said, Bipin, have you taken to drugs or something? As far as I know, you had a clean record of where such things were concerned. I know that old friendship don't mean much to you, but at least you have a good memory. You can't really mean that you've forgotten about the trip to Ranchi. Now, जब चुन्नी लाल को ये पता पड़ा कि बिपिन बाबू अपनी रांची की ट्रिप भूल गए हैं, सो ही रियली बिकेम वेरी सरप्राइज्ड. वो सोफे पे बैठ गए एंड ही स्टार्टेड स्टेयरिंग एट बिपिन बाबू. मतलब स्टेयर मतलब घूरने लगे वो बिपिन बाबू को. एंड ही टेल्स बिपिन बाबू दैट एज फार एज आई नो यू, कि मतलब मैं तुम्हें जितना भी जानता हूँ, यू हैव अ वेरी शार्प मेमोरी एंड यू कीप रिकॉर्ड्स ऑफ एवरी स्मॉल बिग इंसिडेंट्स ऑफ योर लाइफ. यू हैव अ क्लियर रिकॉर्ड ऑफ थिंग्स वॉट यू डू. एंड there is something else, that old friendship doesn't matter to you. मतलब पुरानी दोस्ती तो तुम भूल जाते हो, तुम्हें पुराने दोस्त याद नहीं है, पुरानी दोस्ती याद नहीं है, बट यू रिमेंबर ये अदर थिंग्स ऑफ योर लाइफ. लेकिन तुम्हें और बाकी सारी चीज़ें बहुत अच्छे से याद रहती हैं, बिकॉज यू हैव अ वेरी शार्प एंड अ वेरी गुड मेमोरी. सो हाउ कैन यू फॉरगेट द ट्रिप टू रांची? बिपिन बाबू हैड टू टर्न अवे फ्रॉम चुन्नीज इनक्रेडुलस स्टेयर. मीन्स चुन्नी जो उनकी बहुत ही he just kept on staring at Bipin Babu, and it was uncontrollable stare. मतलब बिल्कुल ही non-stoppable staring जो घूर रहे थे वो बिपिन बाबू को, वहाँ से वो बिपिन बाबू अपना फेस हटा देते हैं. Do you remember what my last job was? asked Chunni Lal. Of course, you worked in a travel agency. You remember that you don't remember that it was I who fixed up your railway booking for Ranchi. I went to the station to see you off, and one of the fans of a compartment was not working. I got an electrician to fix it. Have you forgotten everything? Whatever is the matter with you, you don't look too well, you know. Now, Chunni Lal asked Bipin Babu that do you remember what was my last job? मतलब अपनी last job पूछते हैं, जो कि बिपिन बाबू को बहुत अच्छे से याद थी. He says that you were working in a travel agency. He says that if you should remember that it was me. Chunni Lal says it was me who did your railway reservation, who did your railway booking for Ranchi, and he even went to see him goodbye at the railway station. But when he went to leave him in the train, his compartment's fan was not working. So it was Chunni Lal who called the electrician in the train and got his fan fixed up. So he says, how can you forget things? You seem to me to look not well. Means you don't look seems to be well. मतलब तुम्हारी तबीयत ठीक नहीं लग रही है. Bipin Babu sighed and shook his head. I've been working too hard, he said at last. And that must be the reason, must see about consulting a specialist. Now, Bipin Babu accepts and he says that I think I am working hard. मतलब बिपिन बाबू अपनी ख़राब तबीयत को एक्सेप्ट करते हैं और बोलते हैं कि शायद मैं बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत कर रहा हूँ, एंड आई शुड सी अ स्पेशलिस्ट, और मुझे एक स्पेशलिस्ट को जाके कंसल्ट करना चाहिए. Doubtless, it was Bipin's condition which made Chunni Lal leave without mentioning anything about the job. Now, actually, Chunni Lal had come to ask for the job only, but seeing Bipin Babu's terrible state and his hopeless state, उन्होंने चुन्नी लाल ने कोई भी अपनी जॉब की बात नहीं करी, and he went from them. Paresh Chanda was a young physician with a pair of bright eyes and a sharp nose. He became thoughtful when he heard about Bipin Babu's symptoms. Now, who is Paresh Chanda? Underline everyone, students, underline these two lines over here. Paresh Chanda was a young physician. Now, Paresh Chanda actually एक physician थे, डॉक्टर थे, जिनका फिजिकल अपीयरेंस क्या था कि उनकी आंखें बहुत ज़्यादा ब्राइट थी और उनकी नोज़ के फीचर्स जो थे वो बहुत शार्प थे. ही सेइंग दैट जब उन्होंने बिपिन बाबू के सिम्टम्स के बारे में सुना, ही रियली वेंट इनटू डीप थॉट, मतलब वो बहुत गहरे सोच में चले गए, बिकॉज दिस वॉज रियली वेरी टिपिकल, दीज काइंड ऑफ सिम्टम्स वर रियली रियली वेरी टिपिकल. Look, Dr. Chanda, said Bipin Babu desperately, you must cure me of this horrible disease. I can't tell you how it's affecting my work. बिपिन बाबू डॉक्टर चंदा से बोलते हैं दैट यू मस्ट क्योर मी, कि मतलब आपको कोई ना कोई इलाज करना पड़ेगा मेरी इस बीमारी का. कौन सी बीमारी थी? द इलनेस ऑफ फॉरगेटफुलनेस, मतलब कि वो कैसे एक इंसिडेंट भूल गए. ही सेइंग दिस इंसिडेंट हैड worked so much of impact on, has impacted my work so much that I am not able to concentrate on my profession, मतलब वो अपने काम पे concentrate नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. Dr. Chanda shook his head. You know what, Mr. Chaudhary, he said, I have never had to deal with a case such as yours. Frankly, this is quite outside my field of experience, but I have one suggestion. I don't know if it will work, but it's worth a try. It can do no harm. Now, डॉक्टर चंदा इनसे बिपिन बाबू से ये बोलते हैं दैट योर केस इज़ अ वेरी डिफरेंट केस एंड आई हैव नेवर डेल्ट विद अ केस लाइक योर्स. मतलब मैंने आपके जैसा केस कभी नहीं सुना और ना कभी किसी केस से डील किया है, और मेरे एक्सपीरियंस के बाहर है. मतलब क्यों बाहर था उनके एक्सपीरियंस से? बिकॉज पीपल व्हेन दे आर लूजिंग द मेमोरी, they don't forget only one instance or event, they are tend to forget many things, many small things, many big things like that. But over here Bipin Babu had a very sharp memory and he remembered everything in his life, just except for that one trip to Ranchi. Just those 4 days were completely erased from his memory, and rest everything he remembered. So the symptoms were very very typical, you know. So it was outside his field of experience. But I have one suggestion. लेकिन वो उन्हें एक suggestion देते हैं और कहते हैं कि वो suggestion को try to complete, go forward with that suggestion. Bipin Babu leaned forward anxiously. As far as I can make out, said Dr. Chanda, and I think you're of the same opinion, you must have been to Ranchi. But due to some unknown reason, the entire episode has slipped out of your mind. नाउ डॉक्टर चंदा बिपिन बाबू से कहते हैं कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आप रांची गए थे, बट बिकॉज ऑफ सम अननोन रीज़न, मतलब किसी अननोन रीज़न की वजह से ये पूरा एपिसोड आपके माइंड से स्लिप हो गया है. मीन्स समहाउ यू हैव फॉरगॉटन अबाउट दिस एपिसोड. व्हाट आई सजेस्ट इज़, नाउ स्टार्ट अंडरलाइनिंग फ्रॉम हियर स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट आई सजेस्ट इज़ दैट यू गो टू रांची वंस अगेन. दिस इज़ नॉट इम्पॉसिबल. More than I cannot do at the moment. I am prescribing a nerve tonic and a tranquilizer. Sleep is essential or the symptoms will get more pronounced. Underline till pronounced. Now, वो बिपिन बाबू को एक डॉक्टर चंदा एक सलाह देते हैं, एक सजेशन देते हैं कि वो एक बार फिर से रांची जाए, मतलब एक बार वो रांची और जाए. जब वो रांची जाएगा, वो सारी जगहें देखेगा, साइट्स, मतलब वो सारी पूरी सिटी देखेगा, सिटी की हर जगह देखेगा, तो उनको याद आ जाएगा अपना प्रीवियस ट्रिप. ही सेइंग इट इज़ नॉट इम्पॉसिबल टू अगेन पे अ विजिट टू रांची. ही सेइंग आई कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग एल्स, मतलब वो बोलते हैं मैं इससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं कर सकता. आई एम जस्ट प्रिस्क्राइबिंग यू अ नर्व टॉनिक, अ टॉनिक विच विल हील द नर्व्स, एंड एट द सेम टाइम ही इज़ प्रिस्क्राइबिंग हिम अ ट्रैंक्युलाइजर. ट्रैंक्युलाइजर इज़ अ मेडिसिन. एक्चुअली ट्रैंक्युलाइजर नींद की दवा को बोलते हैं, एंड द स्ट्रेस रिलीजिंग tablets or the tablets that a person takes when he is too much of stressed or he is facing with too much of anxiety, ये सारी जो दवाएं हैं ये एक्चुअली रिजल्ट करती हैं नींद में, मतलब इनसे नींद आती है. सो दीज मेडिसिन आर कॉल्ड ट्रैंक्युलाइजर, एंड ही इज सेइंग दैट आई एम प्रिस्क्राइब you a tranquilizer. I want you to sleep properly, because the more sleep you will get, the better you will feel. And otherwise, if you will not sleep, your symptoms will get pronounced, means your symptoms will become more effective और ज़्यादा deepen होते जाएंगे. Bipin Babu felt somewhat better in the morning. After breakfast, he rang up his office, gave some instructions, and then procured a first class ticket for Ranchi for the same evening. नाउ बिपिन बाबू नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग में थोड़ा बेटर फील कर रहे थे, वो अपने ऑफिस गए एंड गेव ऑल द इंस्ट्रक्शंस दैट ही कैन, एंड देन ही बॉट फर्स्ट क्लास टिकट फॉर रांची द सेम इवनिंग, और उसी शाम को वो रांची जाने के लिए फ़र्स्ट क्लास की टिकट बुक करा के आए, एंड देन ही वेंट टू रांची। अब रांची जाके उनको क्या याद आया या नहीं आया, दैट वी विल डिस्कस इन द फर्दर चैप्टर। थैंक यू।